Hello students, today's topic is natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is classified into three categories. Those are the first one is forest, second one grasslands, third one shrubs. So let us start with forest. Again, forests are categorized into four types. Those are the first one, tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest, also called as rainforest. Usually this kind of forest will get near the equator, both the equators, and this is evergreen forest as those areas are hot and abundant due to abundant rainfall. There the leaves they won't shed the leaves, so it is called evergreen forest. These regions are very hot and receive heavy rainfall. Closely related to the places are both the equatorial places like Indonesia, south part of India, and the hardwood trees you will get there. The trees like hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany, and some other hard wood trees are common here and which are very useful for making furniture. Second type of forest is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests. These forests are also called monsoon forest. Usually the places will get such kind of forests are North Australia, Central America, and some parts of India. Generally, these tropical deciduous forests changes occur during the time of season. So, seasonal forest. During the time of monsoons, usually the forest will be very thick and a very deep type of forest near north part of south part of India and central part of America, north part of Australia usually get this type of forests. And the names of the trees here are sal, teak, neem, and shisham. Monkeys, tigers, langurs are the common animals usually could see in those forests. Now the next forest, third one is temperate evergreen forest. temperate evergreen forest. These forests are also called latitudinal forest also, because this kind of forest usually you could see in the latitudes of mid latitudes, that means from 50 to 70 degrees latitude usually could see this kind of forest. And the trees usually could see there are like oak, pine and eucalyptus. And the places usually this kind of forest you will get are southeast, USA, South China, Southeast Brazil. So these are the places usually this kind of forest you could see. The next forest is temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forest. This type of forest you will get towards the higher latitudes, and this for the previous one temperate evergreen forest you could see from 50 to 70, and this kind of forest completely towards the higher latitudes we could see. And those forests are usually found in north, eastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, and China, towards the southwest part of South America. These are the places usually you get the this type of temperate deciduous forests. They shed their leaves in the dry season, and the common trees again are oak, ash, beech, etc. So the places usually temperate deciduous forest you will get are eastern part of USA, China, towards the south part of China, New Zealand and China. The trees, common trees you could see there are oak, ash, beech, etc. The next part is Mediterranean vegetation. After the forest, we are going to discuss about the Mediterranean type of forests. Vegetation. Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in both the sounds of Mediterranean Sea, the surrounding part of north part of Africa, south part of Europe, and some parts of towards the west part of Asia. Those kind of forests are called, or vegetation whatever you will get there are called Mediterranean vegetation. And this forest, due to its thick bark and the wax coated leaves, usually helps those trees to conserve the water. So their leaf shedding time is also during the time of dry season. So the places are Africa, North Africa, South Europe and west part of Asia. Usually could see the vegetation of Mediterranean type. And the trees, we can see their citrus fruits, oranges such as orange, fig, olives and grapes. Grapes are commonly cultivated there in Mediterranean vegetation type of cultivation. Then the next vegetation is, or the next type of forest is coniferous forest. These type of forests are called, or this forests are called also taigas. Like the temperate evergreen forest, this taiga forest also could see the mid latitudes like 50 to 70 of some of the places in Europe, Africa and Asia. Usually there will get the soft wood which were very useful for making pulp of paper, matchboxes and the trees usually will get there are cedar, pine and chir, etc., which are very useful, and soft wood trees. These are soft wood trees which are useful to make pulp of the paper and matchboxes and some of the lightweight boxes which are useful for packing things. Then the last part of this natural vegetation is tundras. Here tundras are usually could see in the polar region, usually North Pole. North Pole, and the vegetation is very limited there. We cannot see any plants or trees there, and those are mosses and lichens usually, as there the area is completely covered with the thick ice and hardly the 3 summer months are enough. The sunlight is enough for growing only mosses and lichens there. This vegetation is found in North Europe. The places are North Europe, North America and North Asia. There the animals we could see are sheep, musk ox, Arctic owl, polar bear, snow fox, etc. As their skin is very thick and it is covered, the thick skin is contains with some kind of wax which protect them from the cool weather there in tundras. Let us continue the lesson in next class.